Everybody stand for the prayer. So, good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Is there any absent today?
Yes.
Okay, Miss Secretary, please list down the names of your classmates that absent for this morning. So before we proceed to our new lesson, what was our previous lesson that we taught last meeting? Anyone from the class? Yes, Miss Alia?
Types of selection based on performance. Record.
Okay, thank you so much. So it seems that you are well mastered on our previous lesson. With that, we will move on to our next lesson. So before we proceed, I have here prepared a game titled Jumble Words. So I will divide you into two groups. Each group should arrange the jumble words. So count of
One, two, one. We are doing one, two, one, three, two.
Okay, so this group for group 1 and this area for group 2. So guys, I flash. One go, one
Para ya.
for group 1.
Sana bawa ko na yung fan ma.
Group 2, Dina. So, ano yung nakalagay dyan sa ano? Okay, very good. So, stay lang kayo dun sa grupo nyo. So, for your activity, sa one whole sheet of paper, isang group yan. So, ito yung, explain lang. Why is the native pigs important in the Philippines? And present it to the class.
In a high price.
And choose one representative to present it to the class.
Sa may yellow ka? In France?
Yes.
So the question is, why is the native pigs important in the Philippines? So Philippine native pigs plays a significant role in the Philippines for several reasons. First is the cultural significance. So traditional livelihood. So itong mga native pigs have been an integral part of Filipino culture and tradition. So particularly in rural areas where they are raised for food and income. Second is for symbolic value. So in some Philippines cultures, itong native pigs are considered a symbol of prosperity, good luck, and celebration. Ayan, nag-mention namin. And second, for economic importance, for food security. So itong native pigs provide a source of protein for many Filipino families, particularly in rural areas where access to other meat sources may be limited. And that's all.
So, give the group sa Barangay Club. So, the group 1.
Okay, the question is, why is the native pigs important in the Philippines? Simple. The native pigs, also known as a Philippine native pig or local pigs, are an essential part of the Philippines. Cultural, economic, and food security. That's all.
Very good. So, good job class. Everyone has a point. So, based on our activity, what was our lesson for today or for this morning? Anyone from the class?
The topic is this morning is about
Yes, Kamsa.
I forgot.
Yes, Miss Baguio.
I think our topic for today is all about the Philippine native pigs.
Okay, thank you so much. So our topic for this morning is all about the Philippine native pigs.
Pwede na po, balik sa amin.
Yes po.
So,
So our topic for this morning is all about the Philippine native pigs. First, with the origin of the breed. Native pigs are those that originated and are produced in a particular place or locality and are not affected by modern selection and breeding. Philippine native pigs could have come from some wild species, namely Sus celebensis in Luzon, S. celebensis negrinus in Negros Island, and S. barbatus ahonopargus in Palawan. So the mine also have been brought in from China by early Chinese traders and by Spaniards from Mexico during the Spanish colonization. So native pigs in the Philippines originated from the four endemic wild species in Luzon, Negros Island, Palawan, and Mindanao that have been domesticated. So they are characterized to be black in color, with small ears and eyes, and with no allogeneid snout. Native pigs are literal piggy banks. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
So commonly raised in backyards by thousands of small farmers throughout the country as an additional source of income. So for the population status of native pigs, there has been a decreasing trend in the native pig population as shown in the 1980 and 1986 inventory of pigs that 40,550 and 32,950 respectively. So for the raising native pigs is usually preferred because of their low input requirements such as ability to feed on kitchen, refuse, resistance to diseases, and preferable taste. The native pig is preferred breed for making lechon baboy compared to imported pig breeds. Native pigs are easier and cheaper to raise because they are well adapted to local conditions and do not require expensive housing and care. They are only fed with organic materials available in the household or farm like food wastes, vegetable scraps, and plant leaves. So for the importance of Philippine native pigs, there are two very important roles of the Philippine native pigs in the present scenes of the country's swine industry. So the first important is it is a source of additional income in a subsistence economy at very low capital investment. With the present volume of pork production still sufficient to meet the local demand, the native pig still has its shares in the local market in the countryside. It is reported that in region 2, native pigs were slaughtered and marketed along with the grades and crossbreeds raised in the locality. And also there has been an expressed preference for this breed, especially in the preparation of lechon, a native delicacy served on special occasions. So ano yung mga special occasion na?
Yes, New Year!
Okay, so yun ang mga special occasion ng ano. So the second important role of Philippine native pigs is Philippine native pigs are very rich sources of genetic materials for local breed development improvements programs. Native pigs can be used to develop improved strains or even develop swine breed suited to the local conditions of the country as indicated by early breeding work. Gets lang?
Yes.
My questions?
Question kayo guys.
So, since wala na kayong mga questions, Let's proceed to the so get one half crosswise. One half crosswise, ano yun siya? Oh. Essay lang. And then sa evaluation, quiz, true or false. Later na lang.
Diretso na lang. Madam. Diretso na lang. Madam.
Later na kay papers. Okay, class, since you are done, pass your papers. So for directions, read the statements carefully and write true if the statement is correct and false if the statement is wrong.
True.
So for number 1, Philippine native pigs are typically used for large-scale commercial production. Again, Philippine native pigs are typically used for large-scale commercial production. Number 2, Philippine native pigs are small in size compared to commercial pigs. Philippine native pigs are small in size compared to commercial pigs. Number 3, they are known for their resistance to diseases. So I mean, the Philippine native pigs, they are known for their resistance to diseases. Okay na? Number 4, Philippine native pigs need a lot of care and specialized feeding. Again, Philippine native pigs need a lot of care and specialized feeding. Philippine native pigs need a lot of care and specialized feeding. Number 5, Philippine native pigs are black colored or dark colored. Philippine native pigs are black colored or dark colored. Number 6, Philippine native pigs are well adapted to the local environment. Philippine native pigs are well adapted to the local environment. Number 7, Philippine native pigs are usually raised in free-range system. Again, number 8, Philippine native pigs are Philippine native pigs are the wait. Number 7 na.
Ulang ira.
So again, number 7, Philippine native pigs are usually raised in free range. Number 7 yun.
Number 7.
For number 8, Philippine native pigs are the largest breed of pigs in the Philippines.
Tirahin mo pa yun.
Again, number 8, Philippine native pigs are the largest breed of pigs in the Philippines. Number 9, Philippine native pigs are a source of food in rural communities. Number 9, Philippine native pigs are a source of food in rural communities. Philippine native pigs are a source of food in rural communities. Number 10, Philippine native pigs are prone to frequent health problems. Number 10, Philippine native pigs are prone to frequent health problems. Philippine native pigs are prone to frequent health problems. Okay, if you're done, pass your papers forward. Okay na?